Rise and shine! It's an amazing day to start our adventure. First stop, the awesome letter A!
Oopsie! I wonder what sounds it holds. Woohoo! Let's go!
Welcome to Apple Acres! Look high in the trees and low in the grass. Can you find the amazing A?
Amazing! Astounding! Adventurous! Look there! It's the very first letter of our quest.
Huzzah!
Bye-bye, A!
What letter will they find next? See you soon for the next letter adventure! Time to find the next letter!
What B clues can we find at the beach? Look!
Button. The clues are leading them out to sea.
They found it! The bubble letter B.
B is for boards.
Fantastic teamwork!
Bye-bye, B!
Bye.
What letter will they find next?
See you soon for the terrific letter C adventure.
After finding the letter B, our friends are ready for a new day inside their amazing Curiosity Caravan.
Look at this busy place. The clue led them to a colorful cartoon city.
Look out, City! Our friends are ready to find C. Pipsqueak sees a perfect circle. Louie hears a cute little Persian cat.
Yummy! Cat, cake, and circle. They all start with the same sound.
Aha! They did it! The curved letter C. You found the cat, the cake, and the circle. After finding C, our friends are having a yummy snack and getting some rest in their...
The letter D is waiting in the desert. Get ready to look for D clues.
Da-da dog, da-da drum. The D clues are all around them.
D.
There it is! The daring letter D. Da-da D is for dog and for doll.
What a discovery! Bye-bye, D.
Da-da bye! What letter will they find next? See you soon for the energetic letter E adventure. It's a brand new day. Our friends are ready for the energetic letter E. Look at this quiet, giant forest. The perfect place to find the letter E. Echo, eagle. The E clues are all around them.
E.
They found it! The energetic letter E. E is for eel, eagle, and echo. Excellent work, team!
Bye-bye, E. Bye.
What letter will they find next? See you soon for the fabulous letter F adventure.
After finding the letter E, our friends are ready for a new day inside their amazing Curiosity Caravan.
What a beautiful sight! The letter F has brought out our friends to a fabulous flower field.
Flowers. Flying. The F clues are getting closer.
They found it! The fabulous letter F. F is for fox and for fence. What fun!
Bye-bye, F. Bye.
What letter will they find next? See you soon for the great letter G adventure. It's a brand new day. Our friends are ready for the great letter G.
Wow! Look at this lush green garden. It's the perfect place to find the great letter G.
Gaga garden, gaga grapes. The G clues are growing bigger.
G.
They found it! The glittering letter G. Gaga G is for geode and for gift. You're great, team!
Bye-bye, G.
Gaga bye! What letter will they find next? See you soon for the helpful letter H adventure.
It's a brand new day. Our friends are ready for the helpful letter H.
how high they are! The letter H has brought them to a high, snowy peak. Hi. What? The H clues are everywhere, but it's cold. They found it! The helpful letter H! H is for hammer and for high!
What a helpful hint!
Bye-bye, H.
Bye! What letter will they find next? See you soon for the incredible Letter I adventure!
It's a brand new day. Our friends are ready for the incredible letter I.
It's freezing! The letter I has brought them to an immense iceland! Ice. I, igloo. The I clues are very, very cold.
I.
They found it! The incredible letter I. I is for ice and for igloo. What an inspiring sight!
Bye-bye, I. Bye.
What letter will they find next?
Like and subscribe for more videos.
It's a brand new day. Our friends are ready for the joyful letter J. Wow! Look at this humid, lush jungle. The letter J has brought them on a jungle journey. Jungle, jump. The J clues are everywhere they look. J. They found it! The joyful letter J. J is for jewel and for jet. What a jungle joy!
Bye-bye, J.
Bye. What letter will they find next? See you soon for the keen letter K adventure.
Our friends are ready for the keen letter K. Whew, look up. The letter K has brought them to a keen kite festival.
What fun!
Kite, nut. The K clues are sharp and ready.
K.
They found it! The keen letter K. K is for king and for kite. What knowledge!
Bye-bye, Kay.
Goodbye. What letter will they find next? See you soon for the lovable letter L adventure.
Our friends are ready for the lovable letter L. We've arrived at the colossal library. The letter L is ready for our lovable explorers.
Library. Look. The L clues are straight and sharp. L. They found it. The lovable letter L. L is for library and for locket. What a
Bye-bye, L.
lullaby! What letter will they find next? See you soon for the marvelous letter M adventure.
Our friends are ready for the marvelous letter M.
Look at these magnificent mountains. The letter M has brought them to a mighty, monumental sight.
Mountains. Marvelous.
The M clues are gigantic. They found it! The marvelous letter M. M is for magnet and for mighty.
Bye.
What letter will they find next? See you soon for the neat letter N adventure.
Our friends are ready for the neat letter N. Look at this gorgeous night. The letter N has brought them on a neat night mission.
Night. Neat.
The N clues are waiting to be noticed.
N.
They found it! The neat letter N. Is for night and for nest. What a precise find!
Bye-bye, N. Bye.
What letter will they find next? See you soon for the outstanding letter O adventure. It's a new day. Our friends are ready for the outstanding letter O. Oh my! They've arrived at the outstanding ocean. The letter O is a big one. Oh, ocean. Oh, outstanding. The O clues are round and rolling. They found it! The outstanding letter O.
O is for opal and ocean.
Bye-bye-oh.
Oh, bye! What letter will they find next? See you soon for the playful letter P adventure.
Our friends are ready for the playful letter P. What a playful place! The letter P has brought them to a party of fun.
Poo-poo playground, poo-poo perfect. The P clues are bright and popping.
Peep, peep, peep.
They found it! The playful letter P. Poopa P is for penguin and for pole. What a perfect partnership!
Bye-bye, P.
Bye! What letter will they find next? See you soon for the quiet letter Q adventure.
Our friends are ready for the quiet letter Q.
Welcome to this very quiet place. The letter Q has brought them to a queenly quest. Quiet. Quest. The Q clues are hiding quietly.
They found it! The quiet letter Q. Q is for quiver and for queen.
What a quick find!
Bye-bye, Q.
Bye!
What letter will they find next? See you soon for the racing letter R adventure.
Our friends are ready for the racing letter R.
Look at this roaring racetrack. The letter R has brought them on a rapid race.
Vroom, vroom!
Racetrack. Ready. The R clues are running fast. They found it. The racing letter R. R is for robot and for ramp. What a rapid revelation.
Bye-bye, R.
Bye. What letter will they find next? See you soon for the super letter S adventure.
Wow! Look at this place!
The water is so blue! And the sand is so golden!
Look what I found! A shiny whistle!
Super! They found the sparkling letter S. S is for seashore shells and sand. Goodbye! Our friends are ready for the terrific letter T. They've made it to the top-notch Treehouse town. Can you spot the letter T among the twigs?
Look closely at the twigs and trunks. The clues for letter T are everywhere. Hooray! It's magnificent! The greatest T ever built.
Bye for now!
But look, the road leads us under the hills for the unusual letter U.
Our friends are ready for the unusual letter U.
Look at that! They found an underwater world under the Great Arch.
Look high and look low. What's hiding under the arch? Is it up? Is it under? Let's find out!
Believable. The archway and the pillars make a perfect letter U. U is for under, up, and us.
Bye! Our unusual trip is over, but a very vibrant adventure is about to begin.
Wake up! It's a very, very vibrant day for the letter V. Look at this vast view! The letter V has brought us to the Valley of Volcanoes. Look at the vents and the valley. Can you see the V shapes hidden in the rocks? Very good. The volcanoes form a very big letter V. V is for valley, volcano, and victory. Very, very bye. Our vibrant trip is done, but a wonderful windy adventure is waiting.
Wake up! It's a wonderful wintry morning for the letter W.
Wow! Look at the windy waterfalls! There's so much water and so much wind! Watch the water!
The wonderful W is waiting to be found among the waves and the wind.
Wonderful! The waterfalls and the waves make a giant letter W. W is for water, wind, and...
Bye.
Wonderful bye, waterfalls! Get your X-ray vision ready, because we're off to find the extraordinary letter X. Rise and shine! It's time for an extraordinary day with the letter X.
S.
We've arrived!
It's the X mark the spot forest. Somewhere in these cross trees is our next letter.
Look for the crossed clues. X marks the spot in the most extraordinary places. Extraordinary! The cross trees mark the spot for the letter X. X is for xylophone, X-ray, and X. Excellent job, everyone! We found the spot, but we're not done yet. Wakey, wakey! Let's have a yummy yellow morning while we look for the letter Y. Yeah! Wow! Look at the yellow meadow. It's so bright and yummy. Can you spot anything shaped like a Y? Yeah! Check the yard and the yak. The letter Y is hiding in the fork of the branches and the horns on the hill. Yippee! We did it! A giant tree makes a perfect letter Y. Y is for yellow, yo-yo, and yak. Yippee! Yippee-bye, yellow meadow! We've reached the end of the road. Let's zip over to the zigzagging world of our... Wake up! It's time to zip, zap, and zoom! We've made it to the zany letter Z! Welcome to the zigzag zone. It's time to zip and zoom with our new friend, the zebra.
Check the flowers and the stripes. Can you find the zigzags hiding in the zip and the zoom?
Zanny, zesty, zigzag. We found the final letter. From A to Z, we found them all. You're an...
Did you have an extraordinary time? They'll give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more zany adventures. See you soon!